The announcement of Apple Glasses has been highly anticipated, and many are expecting it to be a game-changer in the wearable market. While we don't know much about the glasses yet, rumor suggests that they will be a sleek and stylish accessory that will offer a range of features, including augmented reality capabilities. In the entertainment industry, Apple Glasses could offer a new way to experience movies, TV shows, and video games. Imagine being able to see your favorite characters come to life in your living room, or being able to play a game that takes place in your own neighborhood. One of the most exciting features of Apple Glasses is expected to be their AR capabilities. The glasses are expected to be able to overlay digital information onto the real world, allowing users to interact with their environment in new and exciting ways. Apple Glasses could have a major impact on the healthcare and education industries. In healthcare, AR could be used to help doctors and nurses visualize patient data in real time, or to guide surgeons during complex procedures. In education, AR could be used to make learning more engaging and interactive. There is also the potential for Apple Glasses to be used in other industries, such as retail and hospitality. For example, AR could be used to offer customers a virtual try-on experience when shopping for clothes, or to provide guests with a virtual tour of a hotel before they book their stay. While Apple Glasses have the potential to revolutionize the wearable market, there are also some challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. AR has the potential to collect a lot of data about users, and it's important that this data is protected and used responsibly. There is also the challenge of adoption and integration. While Apple Glasses are expected to be a major player in the AR market, it may take some time for consumers and businesses to fully adopt the technology. There may also be challenges with integrating the technology into existing systems and workflows. One potential advantage that Apple Glasses have over other devices is their integration with the Apple ecosystem. Apple Glasses are expected to work seamlessly with other Apple devices, such as the iPhone and Apple Watch. This could make them a more attractive option for consumers who are already invested in the Apple ecosystem. Looking to the future, it's clear that wearable technology will continue to evolve and improve. We can expect to see new devices and features that will make our lives easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. The future of wearable technology is bright, and Apple Glasses are just the beginning. Apple Glasses will be available to hire on the day of release from www.realereum.com.